What's going on, guys? I'm going to teach you a couple concepts that will completely change how you trade and make you profitable if you follow this couple things I show you. So basically, the first thing is you have to trade your setup. You have to wait for your setup. You have to be patient. So here's what you have to do. You have to wait for a break of a level and a retest, and that is going to be your A plus setup. And I will show you a couple examples of that. Here's one right here. So we had this little trend going, higher lows, higher lows. Then we broke out, and then right now we broke the level on Friday here at 265, and we're retesting here. So this kind of already happened, so we're not going to play it, but I bet you it does this over here. Where's my little, there it is. Broke out, retesting, and boom, level to level. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but that's like an A plus trade right there if this didn't happen already. But I'll show you another one. NVIDIA, I'm actually looking for this tomorrow. I'm going to be watching this play. So you've got to be patient. Like all of this right here, you can't trade that. It's all chop. That's not A plus setups right there. You can't trade in here. We're between all the SMAs, chop, chop, chop city. So right here for tomorrow, this is actually going to be a play. We are going to look for a break of this level, and then we're going to look for a retest long. So our risk is going to be about right around here. It's going to be, let's see, our risk to reward, long position. So yeah, that's a fantastic risk to reward. 5151. Here, let's put it down a little bit. Yeah. So our risk to reward is phenomenal here. It's an A plus setup, and we are going to snipe this tomorrow in our Discord. So let's go another A plus setup that you have to wait for and be patient for. Patience. Everyone needs to be patient. This looks like a pretty good one also. A break and retest of this level. We got all the SMAs below us. So let's check out. Break here. Retest. Boom. It's another setup. You want to plan all this before market opens. So we'll set an alert here. Then let's set an alert here. And these are a couple A plus setups. So I pretty much went over the patience side and waiting for your setup. The next thing I want to go over is strategy hopping, because I see a ton of people doing it. If you have one strategy, which is a break and retest, like quit trading in between levels, or quit trading for bounces right here, even though I actually do like that play with the SMA. But just wait for your break and retest. I know it's boring, but if you just wait for the setup that you only play, you are going to master it. It's so important. Be patient. Don't strategy hop. The next thing I'm going to go over is a little bit of our Discord and how we can help you with these setups to wait for. So every day we post a play of the day, and these are the setups we are waiting for. So let's hear, for example, SJV posted play of the day, IWM. So he brings up the chart right here, and he's waiting for a break and retest. We see all these highs right here. Highs. We're looking to break, and then it's going to be lows. This is an amazing setup that we're going to wait for. Be patient. Might take a little while, but That's what we got to do. Be patient to win. He even gives you your entries right here, your stop loss, profit target. The other cool thing we do is if you want these levels straight to your trading view, all you have to do is go in here, click this link, and all of his levels update to your trading view. You don't have to do key levels anymore, which is pretty cool. If you guys only like playing option alerts, we have it covered here. Bishop alerts calls out some swings and day trades, and then we have Zabes alerts. He calls out here at 116% there. He kills it. We have a weekly class that we all do together. It's every Thursday night at 7 o'clock Eastern. We go over anything. We go over strategies. We'll go over risk management. We'll go over just anything. It's an awesome class. SJV, he's a 7-figure trader. He does it every Thursday for us. If you want to check us out, link in the bio. Hit that like and subscribe and come join us. If you want to start trading or struggling with trading, we'll help you out for sure. We're a smaller community, but we're a pretty good one. So, all right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.